Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you all the new collections of LV. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from names, product codes, prices, SKUs, and launch date. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website or your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you all to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish blog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so let us discuss the new collection of LV. So first guys, we have the Neverfull BB. So guys, this is a China exclusive collection. So if you know an SA in Beijing or in Shanghai, definitely contact them right away. So the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It comes with a personalized customizable feature. Then of course it would come with a detachable canvas strap as we could see here. And it would come with a detachable bag charm as well. So that is in the color like sand dune. And then of course this is I think one of my favorite from the exclusive collection because of the colorway of the monogram canvas, which is in noir or like in the eclipse colorway. So this is a Neverfull BB. So I'm not really sure at this point like the pouch that you're seeing, the drawstring pouch. So hopefully that can be fully removed. Then of course it comes with this canvas shoulder strap as you can see. Then of course it comes with the detachable bag charm. So that is in the noir colorway. So next guys, this is so beautiful. We have the carry all size nano. We have the SKU here of M2A711. So material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is this one is the classic colorway of the vachetta, and of course the monogram canvas. It would come with a detachable and adjustable vachetta leather strap. It would come with bag tag, and of course it comes with like the cute ribbon leather trim as you can see. So next on the collection guys, we have the Alma BB. Price is 2,250 euro or 2,800 USD. So materials empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap. So this one guys is the BB size. Of course it comes with the classic Alma BB features with detachable leather shoulder strap, detachable key clochette, and of course it would come with lock and key set as well. So next on the collection, so we have the Express MM. So guys, I have discussed this from the teaser of the fall winter 2026 collection, but as promised, once I have more prices and more photos, definitely I would be resharing them. So guys, we have the more photos of the Express MM. Price is 2,250 euro or 2,800 USD. So the material is calfskin leather with monogram canvas trim as we can see here. Love the colorway of this one in the like a deep burgundy colorway. So next guys, so we have the Petite Malle. So this one has also been discussed previously. So 12,700 USD. So with my previous vlog, I was praying that this would be a softer version of Petite Malle, but now we have the more photos. Just look at this one. So the classic Petite Malle interior with the malletage detail. So definitely this is a wooden clutch. So with the longer shoulder strap, you're going to carry this one as a shoulder carry. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, this is something new that we have not seen yet. So we have the square trunk mini. The one that I previously discussed with this design would be a capucine. So this one, guys, we have the SKU here from the Fall Winter 2026 collection, made of calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims or calfskin leather trims. It comes, of course, with the embellished gold flowers, as we could see, and it would come with detachable leather strap. So that is the square trunk size mini. Super cute and very chic. And this one is my personal favorite from the collection. We have the capucines, baby. So this is from the Wild Roses collection. So price at 11,500 USD. So the main material is calfskin leather with calfskin leather trims. Of course, it is embellished with leather flowers in the colorway noir. So since this is in the Wild Roses collection, I'm guessing that they are going to show us more of the bags and of course SLGs on the Wild Roses collection from the Fall Winter 2026. So please do stand by. Then, guys, we have from the Monogram Ink collection. Again, some have been discussed, some have not yet. So we have first the vanity chain pouch, price at 3,450 USD. Monogram ink coated canvas with cowhide leather trims, as we could see. So this one, guys, colorway is noir. We have a lock and key set, and it would come with detachable leather strap. Apologies, calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims with the monogram print. So next on the collection, we have the Speedy size 20, price at 3,350 USD. So this is how it looks like, worn as a top handle by the model. Then of course you could carry this one as a crossbody shoulder bag, and as you can see, the chain strap that is come with is a little bit shorter, so definitely you could carry this one as a shoulder bag with the chain strap detail. So this is the close-up view of the calfskin leather that is printed with the monogram detail. So again, as mentioned, what I love about this one, because it's not a bicolor monogram detail, it's a little bit understated. Just look how understated the monogram detail is on this Alma BB, price at 3,650 USD. So this is a big yes for me. So definitely from the Monogram Ink collection, calfskin leather with calfskin leather trim that is printed with monogram colorways noir. It would come with the lock and keys, clochettes, and of course it would come with a detachable leather chain strap, as we could see here. And of course, I love the gold hardware on this collection. Then on the other colorway, like the sage color, we have another Alma BB, price at 3,650 USD. We have the SKU here. So again, same collection Monogram Ink from the Fall Winter 2026. So this is how you're going to look like. So as you can see, it comes with two straps. So we have the leather strap, and then of course the leather chain strap is a little bit shorter. So I'm not really sure if you could use the leather chain strap and wear it as a shoulder bag. Next on the collection, so we have, going back to the Fall Winter 2026, the Mal de Jour, price at 11,700 USD. So this one looks a little bit softer, so maybe this is like a softer version of the Petite Mal that has been discussed. So I feel this version is much more comfortable carrying as a crossbody, because of course you could squish the Petite Mal a little bit compared, of course, to the wooden clutch. So the colorway of this one is like in the light blue. Then of course we have the light gray colorway. So last but not the least, we have the Louis Vuitton Time. We don't have the price here, but we do have the SKU. So this is such a beautiful piece. So made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is a clock shaped crossbody bag. Of course, as you can see, you could use this one as a wristlet as well, because it comes with detachable wristlet in the vachetta. So which ones are your favorite, guys? Comment down below. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a back emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!